Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the wildest, cleanest, and most badass 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper mods we've seen so far since launch. From performance looks to off-road beasts and even Hello Kitty wraps, this video's got it all. Let's jump in. First up, if you're into performance vibes, this one's gonna hit hard. Check out this Model Y Juniper completely transformed with a full matte PPF, giving it that aggressive satin finish all around. To top it off, red brake calipers that scream sporty, and a set of stained black painted wheels to complete the stealthy, high-performance look. Next up, we've got a Quicksilver Model Y that's clearly not afraid to get dirty. This one's rolling on 8-inch Up-Zero 3 forged wheels, wrapped in Yokohama Geolandar XCV tires. Yep, this build's made for off-road fun. It's rugged, aggressive, and gives the Model Y a whole new personality. From grocery runs to mountain trails, this thing is ready for anything. Here's another Quicksilver Model Y, but this one's all about finish. The entire car's been treated with a matte PPF, turning that metallic shine into a sleek, stealthy matte masterpiece. The curves still pop, but now they do it with attitude. Next up, Model Y Juniper in Stealth Gray, but now wrapped in a full matte finish. This thing already looked futuristic straight from the factory, but the matte wrap takes it to a whole new level. If you're into clean, modern, and bold, this one's for you. Now check out this launch edition Model Y, wrapped in matte black. This is what Darth Vader would drive, straight up. Matte black just hits different, especially on those sculpted body lines and that aggressive front end. This Quicksilver Model Y is the full protection package. It's got XR plus window tint, full body PPF, windshield protection film, and ceramic coating. Alright anime lovers, this one's for you. A Hello Kitty themed wrap on a Model Y. Yes, seriously. It's playful, bright, and completely turns heads wherever it goes. Love it or hate it, you can't ignore it. If you're going for max personality, this might be the most fun build on the list. And finally, we've got this beauty in raspberry red. Bold, vibrant, and super eye-catching. This wrap adds a pop of personality while keeping the clean lines of the Model Y intact. It's all about standing out without trying too hard. So there you have it. 8 incredible Model Y Juniper mods already out there. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tesla content.